Assalamu alaikum. So today I am actually sharing a link of complaint box because we are growing so rapidly, and it's something as we focus on Amazon, so the customer comes first. So I wanted to make sure if you have any pain points, if you have any issue going on with anyone, like customer support, or you have an issue with responding any query, or you have not received enough support. So what is the process for you to actually complain it, or to bring this into my notice or the management of enablers? So what you need is to fill out this form, which I'm sharing actually in this post, and you need to fill this with some information, explain about yourself, and explain that what issues you have faced after discussion with any of enablers representative. We need to have control, obviously, but I always want more of information from you before we discuss any issues with particular person. Right now, sometimes I do receive some concerns and issues which does not have enough information. So it's always better to include more information which we can actually use to address those and improve further. So as we said, we're dealing with a trillion worth of marketplace who says customers first no matter what. So we have to adopt and improve our customer service as well at enablers. So get in touch if you have any concerns or issues going on, and our team will be in touch with you to address those, inshallah. Until then, Allah Hafiz.